Hi everyone, today we will crochet a dress using a basic top pattern. You will find a link to the top below the video. I created this pattern a few years ago and I crocheted 2 tops using this pattern. Now it's time to make a dress. This pattern is made to measure, which means that you can easily crochet this pattern in any size you want, even with different size hook and yarn. Measure the fullest part of your chest, crochet a front part of the top. The length of the back part of the top depends on your measurement. I crocheted 15 centimeters or 6 inches. After that, join 2 sides with slip stitches. Make 2 rows of single crochet around the top and the bottom parts of the top and start crocheting shoulder straps. I made them a bit wider, 8 HGC and 44 rows. Connect the strap to the back part by slip stitches. After that, connect the yarn to the bottom part of the top and start crocheting rows of HDC stitches. I crocheted 20 rounds of HDC stitches. The 21st round is an increasing round. Also, it's a round of DC stitches. you should work one DC in next to HDC and 2 DC in next HDC. I repeat the steps to the end of the round. Join with slip stitch to top of chain 3. Rounds from 22 to 38 are rounds of DC stitches without increasing. The 39th round is an increasing round. From 40 to 70 are rounds of DC stitches without increasing. The last round, round 71, chain 1, single crochet in the same place, chain 1, single crochet in next DC, chain 1, single crochet in next DC. Repeat the steps to the end of the round and join with slip stitch to the first single crochet. Ruffle. The first round. Connect the thread to any stitch of the dress, chain 1, work single crochet in each stitch across the HDC or DC stitches to the end of the round. After that, join with slip stitch to the first single crochet. The second round, chain 1, turn, single crochet in the same place, chain 1, single crochet in next single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in next single crochet. Repeat the steps to the end of the round. Join with slip stitch to the first single crochet. The color scheme of the dress you will find in the link below the video. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And bye!